Dumelang, akhe, sanibonani molweni kuwe more apsheni dimacheroni. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Sisa Joburg, remote Josie. I'm thinking that let me just open this vlog here right now while I'm waiting for my cousin to pick me up. We are going to Lesotho. We're gonna take you along. Who busy, guys? Who busy? But I am marathon saying it's in the morning. Everyone is going to work, and I'm waiting here. I'm waiting so that we can hit the road. Alright, I'll see you guys on the other side of the road. Bye. What's up? Dumelang ba lelapa, re fihlile re kena ka hara naha. Le dumedisa thapameng enana. Good afternoon, guys. We're here by the border, Caledon. So we're about to go in now and stamp our passport, and then we cross over to Lesotho. Oh, we are tired. It is hot. It feels like it's hotter. It's even more hot in Lesotho than South Africa. It feels weird saying that, knowing it's still inside South Africa. So it feels hotter here than Joburg. Let me say that. So we're about to go in. Right now and stamp our passport. Yeah, and then really born. I'm actually holding this camera like this because they don't want people to record it. They don't want people to take pictures. I don't know why. If there's anyone who knows why they can't allow us to record, please tell us, because it's not making sure. Right, okay guys, please, if you're watching this and you are not subscribed, guys, why later did not any snacks? Kadlala, please, but if you're watching this, please subscribe. Just press the red subscribe button and thumbs up, and then yes, explore Lesotho with us. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next few days. I will take you along. Bye for now. So here I pretended to be using my phone, to be busy with my phone while I was recording this, because I really don't understand why they can't allow us to record or at least take pictures. Even my cousin wasn't aware that I'm taking this footage at this time and moment. So yes, guys, come to Lesotho, visit Lesotho, make Lesotho fashionable, because le bona le bona di bottoms di clear ha di a tlala, ha ona di queue tse telele mona, guys. E tlang le tlo bona botle ba naha ya habo rona. E tlang le tlo bona naha. She was serving us with her legs, her beautiful legs, guys. Ladibona mara. Alright, hurrying here. Hurricane ratile medi here, bana beso. Hone e bitsa tape.
Ke le fiela la Sesotho.
Tape Sesotho a sena tape.
Le bitsa le tape le hla.
Oh. Okay. Le la le ntse kae? Mosea ke a tsela.
Thabeng ke kwa tseba Lesotho. Mosea o hla thabeng.
Ha o tlha masimo?
No, masimo.
Anthe. Ithabe.
Thaba ma, o mela hona teng.
Tsela le ya mo.
A gona go khakwana ga bona thaba tseka.
Oh, le tsa thaba tseka.
Thabeng kwa. Tse thola ba thabeng le.
Mphela mosea. Okay.
Ke yang ka ntle.
Lona ke mosea o.
Ke mosea. Bona ke thitapo.
Thitapo. Modimo. Okay. Ai ke batla la boseya he. Ke batla la boseya. Jwale okay. Ke a leboha. Sebedisitse maluti ya ka. Camera. Hi guys, hi everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I'm greeting you from Lesotho. I am welcoming you guys into this channel from Lesotho. Re tsewa ka hare naha. You guys, excuse my voice because flew in cleanse, guys. Flew in cleanse. Before we continue, guys, lebitso la ka ke nkanetseng Khiba Sithole. If you are new here, please, before we continue, let's wait for you. Please click that red subscribe button. Are you done? Next to the like button and then the bell. Thank you. Welcome home. You're gonna enjoy this journey with us. I'm welcoming you from Lesotho, as I've said. Thank you to those who subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate that. So I'm taking you along to a few places that we're gonna travel to here in Lesotho. We're gonna go to Tababusibu. I think we're going to hike because last time we were here we didn't go up the mountain. So we'll be doing that, and then the next one will be Malunzunyana Falls in Simongong. So yeah, come along with us. If you love nature and mountains, you're gonna love this vlog because wow, the views, the mountains, like they are breathtaking. Okay guys, I will see you on the flip side. Bye for now. Oh, and then I forgot to tell you that one of the activities that we'll be doing is to go to the mountain, to the initiation school. Lona, Badi Betu, and all that. Come along with us. And then, yeah, let's go to guys. Re celebrate go Lesotho. Re celebrate. Wait and see. Le bone di audience tsa rona mono le tla bona emang hanyenyana le tla bona. Just watch until the end. Alright. I wish I could open this music, but copyright doesn't allow me to. Ya ba re etsa futshu ngwaneso, ya ba re etsa futshu. Monate wa iketsetsa futshu ngwanana futshu. Oh well, I found them coming out already. So they were gracious enough to borrow us, not borrow, to give us our own attire without even working for them. So vamos.
Kazman. Kazman. Usinya petri ya kono yilla mahala.
For mahala, guys. This is Kaz.
Hurry, Kaz, hurry.
So, you know yourselves. Give our hair. batho ba rona, and then we had that smallanyana celebration, guys. E le nna guys, ke le nna le tla mpona ke kgumama mono ka mangwele guys, ka kgumama majweng ka kgumama majweng. Guys, a le tsebe bua celebrate ho jwang. E le nna guys, e le nna ke shapa futsho, batho ba ka ba nyemetse monana mahlakorong ngwaneso, ya ba ke a kgiba, ke bao bana ba sekolo, ke bao bomme moo ba re thutwa mmona partnera ke eo, ya ba re a kgiba he ngwaneso, ya ba batho ba ntse ba kolletseya.